Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazingly well. I guess given the circumstances, I hope you're all doing amazingly well and keeping safe and all of that good stuff. Sorry, Echo's knocking my camera again, as always, every time I'm filming. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the brand new Nudestix foundation, this right here. I've actually had this for a little while now and I just haven't got round to reviewing it, so today's the day. So I had a few complications trying to get my order from Cult Beauty. So my first order came and the product was faulty, so the pump wasn't working, the product looked practically empty. So I was, needless to say, a little bit frustrated at the beginning, but the Cult Beauty team was so fantastic. They sent me out a new product literally the next day after I contacted them, and yeah, so thank you Cult Beauty for being amazing and understanding and sending me a new product, because I was desperately trying to review this. So there we go, there's the background. Anyway, so this is the packaging. As always, sleek, hard black case, and inside is a mirror, and then the product itself. There was like a paper wrapping, but I just got rid of that because I didn't want it in there. So this is the foundation. It's super cool looking, honestly. I love Nudestix products. I have blushes, bronzers, eyeshadows, lip products. So when I found out that they did a foundation, I was super excited to actually try this out, because they're all about natural looking makeup, so that kind of ticks every box for me. So let's get started in reviewing. So I got the shade Nude 5, so hopefully this is the right shade for me. You know I'm useless at picking my own shade, so I've just went off the pictures that are on the Cult Beauty website, which I'll just link here for you. So yeah, let's get started. Let's hope the pump works, because I haven't actually tried it, so this will be interesting. So it is a pump applicator, by the way. It looks like this. It always feels, I feel like it just feels a bit empty there, but it feels a lot better than the faulty one. The faulty one, literally I could just do this. I'll insert a picture for you because it was just, yeah, crazy. So, come on. Oh, there we go. So I've just got 2 pumps for now. I think, actually, let's go with a third. Third time's a charm. From the look of it, it does look like a shade that would work for me. So I'm just going to use my Real Techniques blender brush. If you want to find more about this brush, I'll link my review video above for you. So good. Anyway, let's just apply. By the way, I have nothing on my skin, obviously apart from my face oil and moisturiser. And from the looks of it, this is the perfect shade. It seems to be blending in nicely. It's not exactly full coverage. It's actually very light on the skin. Almost feels like a tinted moisturiser. I'm curious to see what my makeup's going to look on top of this, because yeah, I would say it's literally not much coverage at all. Like, see my acne scars here? It's not even changed them. Like, you can still see them. So I'll be interested to see what my other makeup looks like on top. So right, that's all on. I'm not going to add any more, just because that for me it feels like enough for my skin, although it feels really lightweight, I think. Right, I'm just going to apply the rest of my makeup, and then I'll jump back on camera and share with you the pros and cons. So this is the final makeup look. I've just gone really quite neutral, so just pink lip, just a really simple eye look, which was the Nudestix eyeshadows, which I love, and their Poppy Girl blush with a little bit of Barley Body highlighter on and some mascara. So that is the makeup look. Lovely. So, pros and cons of the Nudestix foundation. So let's start off with the pros. So the pro about this is it feels really lightweight on your skin. It leaves like a dewiness, which if you feel like your skin is really dull, or you've got a really dull complexion, or you're just in need of that little bit of a boost, this is great for that. This is really easy to apply. It goes into the skin seamlessly. It doesn't kind of show your pores or anything like that, and it looks really nice underneath other makeup, which is perfect. I really love the smell of this as well. It makes me feel like I'm in a spa. It just smells incredible. And finally, I've picked a shade that's actually right for me, so bravo to me. And I just all round, yeah, really like it. I think it gives me a nice, very sheer coverage. So yeah. So the cons. The cons for me, I would say, is this foundation is made for just one type of complexion, and that is for those people that have flawless skin. I think if you've got acne or dark under eyes or just dark patches or anything like that, this is probably not the foundation for you. I just don't think it gives you enough coverage, and it isn't, to me, it just doesn't seem like it would be buildable because it is very, very sheer. One thing that I do find is it immediately made me look dewy. So for someone who is combination skin, I would definitely have to bake my face, especially in my T-zone area that would get oily, because this for me probably will start making me look quite shiny, which it's not a look for me at all. It does say on the back that it's obviously it's made to be a natural tint to the skin, so it's not actually, it's never said that it's going to be a full coverage foundation, which I'm not mad at because I really like a more natural look. But I think if you prefer full coverage foundations, again, this would not be for you. Price point as well. Nudestix is known to be a little bit on the pricier side. It's probably more of a luxury brand. It's not one of your high street brands that's obviously affordable to everyone. It just really isn't. This cost me £21 because there was a discount on Cult Beauty at the time, which is why I purchased it. But initially I think this is like 32. I'll pop it in the description box below for you because I can't remember off the top of my head what the actual price is of this, but I know it's in the 30s. So, and for what you get, this is 25ml, and in all honesty, I think I'd probably go through this in about a month and a half, maybe 2 months if I wore it every day. And I know a lot of people buy foundations to wear every single day, so I'm not too sure that this would last as long as a typical foundation, because a lot of people might like to build this, and I don't feel like you get as much in here. The packaging is slightly deceiving. But overall, me personally, really enjoy it on my skin. I think there are obviously some cons to this product, which I'm just being honest about, but I do really like the look. I do really like how it looks on my skin underneath my other makeup. I think it'd be great for mums, people that are on the go that just want a little bit of a boost but don't really want to look like they've got too much makeup on. It's really great for those people. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with all your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye!